This is your hair before. Massage Cream of Nature Purelicious Co-Wash into wet hair. Detangle and rinse. Apply moisturizing milk mask to hair. Cover hair with a plastic cap. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse. Add Butterlicious curls to a 1-inch section of hair. Create a coil by rotating hair around the finger until smooth and the coil slips off the fingertip. Push coil up to create spring. Repeat until hair is completely coiled. Spray anti-humidity gloss and shine mist onto hair as needed. Then carefully separate each coil into 2 or 3 parts to create volume.